here in beautiful North Wales. We're enhancing our station environment with artwork. Ysgol Aberconwy pupils are working with a local artist to enhance our station shelters with a sense of place in the shelter. We're recognising the culture and heritage of Conwy.
I've done a number of workshops like this for TFW. Working along with the police, they've been able to show some really important videos which have a message about not like going on the tracks. So the safety is really important, and it's been really nice because we've created graffiti art murals. We've been able to talk to them about that sort of side of things as well, and let them be creative and get some ideas going and create a completed piece.
We're doing the second art project to try and deter youth trespass at this station, as it's been a antisocial behaviour hotspot in the last year. So we're here to engage with one of the local community high schools and try and reduce trespass by engaging in a positive project.
Well, the kids absolutely love it. It's great for them to get out of the school and do the artwork actually in the town. What it has done is we have noticed that it has reduced the project that we've done with the Keep Safe. It has reduced the trespass that we've had on the line, which is a big bonus for what we're doing. This particular project, again, it's a sense of ownership for the children from the local high school. So hopefully as well we'll look at a reduce antisocial behaviour in the area, which is kind of a main aim as well for us here.
You can gain a lot of new skills from this and work with different artists.
It also looked quite good on the art portfolio we've got.
If you like see people trespassing on the tracks, or you drop something, don't go for it. You don't really want to like lose a leg or even your life because you dropped your headphones when you can just buy a new pair.
Don't mess around near the track.
Think before you do anything or go on anything.